With hundreds of square feet of permitted addition, making this like new construction, you don't often see this in Santa Clara. So ranchers weren't typically designed like this. Walls were opened up, extra square footage, hundreds of square foot with permits, so you can have light front to back. So you get an oversized, greater than 6 foot long, with waterfall on both sides, mitered edge island. Dishwasher's right here, good design triangle between sink, fridge, and the range, and a pull-out microwave just below on the far side over here. A high CFM hood, over 900 CFM, cubic feet per minute. Fully tiled, double niches, rain head over here, and vanity and toilet both floating. And over time, the city of Santa Clara has been much more permissive with allowing accessory dwelling units that could go in a lot just like this.